friction is a force, and when you skate in a skating rink, you don't need much friction because the ice is slippery and smooth. It doesn't need much friction. But when you pull something on a rough surface, it needs more friction because it's hard to pull.
Mm-hmm. So are there things we can do to increase friction? Or decrease friction? Things that we can do.
When we're gonna decrease friction, we'll need to put oil on gears or in bikes.
That's right. How about when I want to have stronger friction?
We'll need to pull it hard.
Mm-hmm.